Greetings, friends. Today we embark on a virtual journey to the charming Bykivnia neighborhood, nestled in the northeastern corner of Kyiv's Desnianskyi district. Surrounded by lush coniferous forests, this area exudes a tranquil ambiance with an almost provincial charm and cozy atmosphere. A smooth, sun-drenched road winds through the quaint streets, where charming cottages are enveloped by lush greenery. The pace of life here is leisurely, with minimal car traffic. Traffic jams are practically unheard of in Bykivnia. 9-story apartment blocks from the Brezhnev era punctuate the landscape amidst the cottages that line both sides of the road, though they are relatively few. The Brezhnev era, the period of Leonid Brezhnev's rule, was marked by the mass construction of standardized high-rise buildings. These buildings, designed according to uniform blueprints, aim to provide affordable housing for millions of Soviet citizens. Unlike the typical high-rises in other parts of the city, the Brezhnev-era buildings in Bykivnia possess unique characteristics. Generous spaces between the structures foster a sense of freedom. The courtyards of these apartment blocks are often landscaped with playgrounds, benches, and relaxation areas. What makes Bykivnia special? At first glance, Bykivnia might not seem like a typical tourist destination. However, its secluded location outside the city center, affordable housing, convenient transportation, tranquility, proximity to nature, and fresh air make it one of Kyiv's most appealing neighborhoods for those seeking peace and harmony with nature. In addition to contemporary cottages and Brezhnev-era apartment blocks, Bykivnia boasts a distinctive type of housing: German cottages. These are old, 2-story brick structures erected by German prisoners of war in the aftermath of World War II. Despite their age, these German cottages remain inhabited. People live, raise families, and go about their daily lives within their walls. While some have undergone renovations and are visually appealing, others require repairs. Constructed from red brick, these homes have endured the passage of time and remain sturdy and dependable. Red brick is an eco-friendly material that contributes to human well-being. In recent years, Bykivnia has experienced a surge in new construction, offering modern and comfortable living spaces. These new developments typically feature private grounds with lush greenery, children's play areas, recreational facilities, and ample parking. Apartments within these buildings boast contemporary layouts designed to meet the needs of modern residents. Notably, apartment prices in Bykivnia's new developments are significantly lower than those in other densely populated areas of the city. Bykivnia is enveloped by lush forests and parks, making it one of Kyiv's cleanest neighborhoods. The area offers a tranquil and peaceful living environment. Bykivnia is conveniently accessible by public transportation and boasts all the essential amenities: shops, schools, kindergartens, clinics, and other community facilities. The exact origin of the name Bykivnia remains a subject of debate. Several theories exist. One theory suggests that the name derives from the Ukrainian word for bull, byk. As the area was once swampy and difficult to navigate on horseback, traders were forced to use oxen to pull their carts through the mud. Another possibility is that the name originates from the surname Bykivskyi. A third theory connects the name to the Bykivka River, which once flowed through the region. In the 1930s, Bykivnia was the site of one of the largest Gulag camps. In 1941, thousands of people were shot here, victims of the Nazi regime. Today, the Bykivnia National Historical and Memorial Complex has been built on the site of the camp. Officially, the exact origin of the name Bykivnia remains undetermined. Bykivnia, a tapestry of history and modern life. Bykivnia is a neighborhood rich in history, yet imbued with the spirit of contemporary living. Its past, marked by tragedy and resilience, has shaped its character. Today, Bykivnia offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city center, while still providing essential amenities and conveniences. Whether you're drawn to its historical significance, its natural beauty, or its tranquil atmosphere, Bykivnia has something to offer every visitor.